Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to mute someone on Instagram. So it is very easy. First of all, we need to open Instagram, open our account, and here in our profile we need to click on the following button just right next to our followers, and here will be our following list. And from this list we need to choose the person that we want to mute. So for example, I want to mute this guy for Clash Royale, for example. So all I have to do is to click on the three dots next to that account, and the last option is mute. So you need to simply click on it and then toggle what you want to mute. So I want to mute posts, stories, notes, everything I want to mute from this account. And basically by toggling on these options, you will prevent their content from appearing in your feed or story tray without them knowing you have muted them. And basically that is it. That is how you can mute someone on Instagram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.